Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying key prerequisites. Check Windows Edition and whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit because the driver must match. Once done, download the correct Realtek audio package from the PC Maker or Realtek site and save it to a known folder. Make a system restore point now. This lets you roll back if something goes wrong. Next, close media apps and disable third-party audio utilities, temporarily, so the installer can access devices directly and avoid conflicts during setup. You run the installer as administrator to ensure driver files write to protected folders. Right-click the file and choose Run as Administrator. During setup, accept the license, keep default components unless you have a special reason, and allow the installer to replace existing audio drivers. After installation completes, reboot immediately when prompted. Drivers load properly only after restart. Once Windows returns, open Sound Settings. Choose the Realtek output device and adjust levels. This confirms the device is active. You finish by validating audio. Play a test file and open Device Manager if you see problems. If the driver shows a warning, right-click it, choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer and let me pick to select the installed Realtek driver manually. Once selected, reinstall and reboot. If audio still fails or the system behaves oddly, use Device Manager to roll back driver or restore the system point you made earlier. That recovers the previous state quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.